Hey everyone. So yeah, let me get back into this. These are foot peeling pads and hand mask. I think they're on Amazon. Ooh. Ooh. So it's... Oh, so you get two. You get what? Let's see. So you get the simple sock type. So that's in here. That's in here, and you get the thing, the stuff. Oh my god, I'm gonna do this tonight, so I have no idea how to. I cannot read that. So I guess you rip the freaking these things apart. Rip open this. You, I believe, put in these into the feet thing, and rinse off after. Which I will do this. You know, I'll do this. There's two of them, I believe. Yeah, there is two. That's cool. I will be doing this. I'm excited. I love these kind of masks. I think it says on here 30 minutes? No, 90. I probably leave it on about that. I have my feet are, whew, they need a good TLC. They do. I'm like, oh, holy smokes. They sent me hand care, moisturizing gloves. Oh my god, my nails, my cuticle area needs some love. Yeah, they sent me 3 of those, 2 of the feet mask, which isn't bad. Offhand, I do not know how much they cost, but in the description, I will be putting that in there. Yeah. I'm obsessed. Yeah, I have no idea. 30? Yeah. I'm gonna look up how to use these. I'll put the description and link in the description box down below. You know, so I wanted to keep this baby, this beauty for last. I think this helps you. Yeah, this package from Nolora. It has my, I would show you the top, but it has my mailing address, and nobody wants to see that crap, you know? So I thought I'd do a video on it. So yeah, they were nice to me, and like, I'll put their code in the description with like links for all these goodies, you know. Yeah, I think I'll put this code down below. If you want to use it, you could enjoy 15% off. That's not bad. She sent me in here a nice card. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna keep this card. Nobody wrote my... Not many people have beautiful handwriting. I mean, no, not many people have beautiful handwriting. I'm gonna freaking cry. You know? I'm gonna freaking cry. I don't want to ruin this. I wish I had a paper freaking thing cutter. This is why I have my little tip while opening this card is that if you're doing unboxings or stuff like that, always pre-cut open your packages. It saves time. Aww. Yeah. Oh, I'll leave my code below as well. I'll leave it below. So you could either use. I think I'll probably save the thank you 15 for myself. If I might, because there's this ring I'm dying to order from her. So I'm thinking about doing that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm late because of the fact I've mentioned this in the other part, which I'm gonna edit a little bit or learn how to edit. I'm gonna edit this video. I'm like, ooh, I might do some awesome thing before. So yeah, I'm gonna freaking save this. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna freaking cry. I'm gonna freaking cry. You know, I am gonna friggin' cry about this. You know? Yeah, so I wanted to show off the nose ring. Yeah, it, the packaging is so cute too. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it a little dark. Vampy. There, I feel like that's better. Yeah, I cut into this because I was curious to see what she sent me. And I'm like living for it. I'm living for it. I forget. I freaking yank. I don't want to yank. Oh. Ugh. People, I swear my family is driving me bananas. This is how it looks. I like it. I want to see how it'll look. Ooh, it actually looks not bad. I freaking probably, I don't. I'd probably wear it on an angle, honestly. Because. What?
What's going on in here?
I'm doing a video.
Oh.
I am so freaking obsessed with this. So, she sent me two things. Two little cute bundles. I didn't want to open it till I showed y'all what it is. Which I will show y'all. I've seen leggings all over the place like these. These remind me of my freaking Doe & Co. D&Co. ones a little bit because of this knee pattern. Like, I like these. I don't own nothing in a blue. I honestly don't. I'm honestly in most. I think I'm what? I think Walmart. I'm a extra large to 2X. Torrid, I'm a size 2. And some other brands I forget. And Lala Roo, I'm a size TC. I think I'm more TC2. But I love, this reminds me of the dress. The color reminds me of the dress Cinderella wore in Cinderella. I'm like, I get to live my Disney fantasy in these leggings. I'll link my whatchamacallit below too. I get to live my freaking Snow White. My my Snow White thing too. I get to live my Snow White dreams. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think this will actually fit me. It's like a buttercream. It's like a yellowy buttery cream color. I want to see. It doesn't have that here. This feels like leggings. The leggings, it feels like. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear this. I'm wearing a nice sweater. It's a Jack Skellington sweater. Yeah. I'm like obsessed. I'm like, I was just thinking, which one am I gonna open first? You know? Which one? Which one am I gonna open first, y'all? And so, here's the other. It's the same thing as you've seen before. I think. What's this? Ooh! I think I'm gonna love it. I love this waist. I love. Ooh! What the? Wait, hold the phone. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me freaking figure this out. I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, I remember wearing pants like these a lot, similar to these back in the day. I think I'm honestly gonna love these because I love me a moment that I could do a little bow. A bow. You know, a nice little bow. So I'm like, ooh, these are flare. I like these. I already know what I like. I love those. I'll link below the everything. You know, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna link below. This is the new sweater thing from Jack Skellington. It's from Torrid, but my mom got it for me. I'm obsessed. I am. Be your own kind of beautiful. I agree with that saying. You know, I agree with it, hands down. And now it's time. Tomorrow, I have coming from UPS SKII 2, a product everybody else is receiving. A bunch of other peeps are receiving. I don't. You know, that's what. Gonna just. What else? So yeah, I just want to end this now. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs it down. Share it with your friends, stuff like that. Be sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. And if you want to see new videos or any new content, leave it in the comment section. Thank you. I hope you found this enjoying. So yeah, bye.